Hello, this is Arvi Ramachandran. I am a technical analyst over at Ask Slim, and in this video, we are going to walk through our weekly cycle analysis for Facebook. For those who are new to our work, at the bottom we have our cycle brackets, and cycles are a way for us to track the money flow patterns in and out of an underlying stock. In an idealized cycle, we look for rising phases and money flows to come in the early parts of cycles, so that is in this period right here. Once we get to around the halfway point of an idealized cycle, this is where we would look for a high to form and for really minimal upside movement. And then in the later stages of cycles, this is where there is risk for money flows to come out and to enter into corrective periods. Now, how a stock behaves in a given part of its cycle tells us how relatively strong or relatively weak that underlying stock really is. So what you'll see here in Facebook is that we have a very bullish cycle that has formed right here. This is really called a right-hand translation. What that means is that we used up this whole cycle rallying. We formed our high around this point right here, and then had a short window of time for a pullback, and then got an impulse back on the upside as we formed our next low. So that's called a right-hand translation. What I have added on here is this note for a left-hand translation. A left-hand translation is just the opposite of a right-hand translation, and that is a very bearish cycle, and that forms when you form a high very early in a cycle, and it leaves the rest of the cycle to really enter into a corrective period, and during that time you would really look for rallies to fail, which is what happened here. So let's go ahead and fast forward to where we are right now, and I'll zoom in a bit. So you'll see there is this beautiful bull pennant forming here in Facebook, and I have annotated that for you here. And you can see the rally that we had, and then the bull pennant that is formed. Now note these blue ovals here at the bottom of the chart. The blue ovals show you when the next key intermediate term low is due to form. That next low is due 11/9 to 12/14. So we are in that time window for a key weekly low to form. What you'll also notice is we have this green and purple line. This is our weekly momentum, and it is currently green, as you can see right here. So we have positive momentum, a weekly low due to form, a bullish pennant. So what all this says is if we get a breakout back over this 294 area here, we will look for a move up to this intermediate term fib target zone from 320.81 up to 341.69 in this next rising phase here in Facebook. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube. You can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. And lastly, we are offering some really great promotions for the holidays here. So if you're interested, please check out AskSlim.com, and you can also email Matt, that's MATT, at AskSlim.com for more information. Thanks again, and have a great day.